just saying like you should have to watch the lecture repeatedly, previous lecture also, because
Yes, yes,
first
yes.
time no one get understand. So even though you are attending class, still you should have watched the lecture, correct?
Yes,
Don't worry
when
about
we practice, we have to watch
it. Yes,
that
yes,
video.
yes.
Then only we can understand.
Now my screen is visible,
Yes, sir.
both of you. Okay, then fine. Now I think we covered master data. Just we should have to move to transactional data then today. So in the transactional data, first is notification only. So today we learn about the notification configuration, correct? So in the path, plan, maintenance,
Yes,
customer services, maintenance and service processing, maintenance and service notification. Okay. So first we should have to configure the notification type. Okay, and IW21 just have to create a one dummy notification for that notification type. So what are the types available? While practice, we practice with the M1 maintenance request. So we can create breakdown notification as well. Also, we can create some custom notifications. See, I just have to create for some batch. Previous batch Z2 is
sir.
a
I have
breakdown.
a doubt.
Yes, you can ask.
Sir, can we change that existing created type, sir? So if M1 for maintenance request,
Yes,
can we
we can
change
create this
into
name
something?
also. You want to change this name? Yes, we can create. We can change. You want to
Yes.
change this name only, right?
No, no, sir. M1 we can change.
M1 you can change. Yes,
Okay. Instead of M1,
see.
I can put a T1 like that. Anything I can
See,
put.
M1, M2, this is standard. So don't change any standard. You can change standard name, but don't change the setting. If you want the custom, so copy the same one and create Z1 for maintenance request. Correct. You can create a custom.
Okay.
Why you are playing with the standard? Is standard SAP given us a standard? So why you want to change this standard? So don't change.
Okay, sir. Just
If you
asking.
don't want to use, so yes. Your point is valid. If you want another maintenance type, notification type, so you just copy and create new. Copy all the setting related to it, and same thing I will doing.
Hmm.
So now right now we are making Z1 for again breakdown notification or some any notification. So custom breakdown notification like that we can make them. Okay,
Yes, sir. Because
this
in my plant there is N1 for maintenance request.
so we'll create
So
N1 then. No issue. Today we create N1 like your plant. So Oreo notification type in that, just give me a second. We should have to create, right? So notification creation and notification type. Inside the notification type, we should have to first define notification type. So go there. So many notification types are available. Okay, Q1 for quality as well, for maintenance as well. Correct. So take the standard. Uh, Maintenance request your notification type, correct? Generally we are taking,
yes, sir.
copy it, and we can put a N1. This is a maintenance request. Okay, same thing. We just change the name N1. So notification origin, general maintenance notification, catalog profile, we would same take a same. We don't have to change anything. Use request for maintenance. Use in request maintenance app. What is the meaning of this use in request maintenance app? So this is nothing but a Fury app. Request maintenance app. So we are creating notification with the help of T code IW21 inside the GUI, graphical user interface, standard SAP screen. But same notification we have to create in a tab based Fury apps. So that time the app name is request maintenance app. So this is the app name, and when we go to the request maintenance app, same field we should have to fill like we are filling while creating the notification. But this notification type we are creating in SAP GUI, graphical user interface. But we want to see this notification type in Fury, so you should have to provide this tick. समझ गया? So if there is a this tick, so this notification type also reflect in a Fury app. This is simple meaning of that tick. If you don't untick it, so this notification type only reflect in SAP, this SAP standard GUI SAP, not reflected in Fury. So always keep these ticks. Correct? Don't change any setting. Click enter.
Sir, once it is created, we can delete or we cannot delete.
Yes, we can do everything in SAP, see, Praveen, but we want to understand the consequence, its impact. We can delete. Say for example, where is N1? Just give me a second. N1. So copy it and delete it from over here. Correct. But those order type are existing, and with that particular, sorry, notification type existing, and with that multiple notification are already created in system, and you are trying to delete this. So what will happen? All this created notification get impacted. Correct. So without business approval, all this approval you don't have to create. Yes, in test mode, and while you creating fresh and while you testing, you can delete. See this delete button. Correct. But I'm not recommending to deletion in SAP without approval, because keep as it is, make a different with different name. Correct. So notification is created, just save it, transport save. So we can see that data was saved. So we can check it will reflect or not in the system. So again IW21, enter, provide the notification type like N1 maintenance request, click enter. So next error is priority type not assigned for the notification category. Correct. It will not taking, so it will ask us that assign the priority type to this particular custom category. So now we should have to assign then first, otherwise it will not take. So go back. No, we should have to assign the priority type to this custom notification category. So go back, what is the next setting? Set screen templates. Okay, just give me a second. Where is the priority type? Assign standard text to short text, allow changes, assign notification to order type, notification content. Okay, we'll see. We should have to find out then priority type. Work clearance management. In plant maintenance module, there is no setting for assigning priority type. Okay, we'll check. First, we see the other setting. If while checking this setting, will found about priority type, so we will take. So first, we define the notification type. Correct. Set screen templates for notification type. So in that, you can provide screen templates. So continue. And what are the custom screen templates? Tab, description, tab header, activity. So we can provide. So for that we just have to select the notification type, like we created the M1, N1. Otherwise directly go to new entries. Just give me a second. Set screen template for notification type, go there. Why it will not take? ठीक है, इसको अभी के लिए बाजू में रखते हैं, दूसरा देख लेते हैं, लास्ट में इसको देखेंगे क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है. Define long text control for notification types. So go there. What is our notification type? M1 text standard. Check long line and long text change. So same setting we should have to provide for N1 as well. So go there. Long line and long text change. Correct. What are the setting available in standard? Just copy over here also and save it. For long text in notification screen, go back. Set field selection for notifications. Go there. Field selection for maintenance notification. Go there. And what are the field available, like symbol, order text? These are the field standard names. Which field you want to modifiable, input, activity, what are the symbols you want to see, like that you can have to change over here. This is just a field selection. Define number ranges. The same thing available for number ranges. I already show what are the number ranges of notification. See, you can see the number ranges and you can create custom number ranges as well. Just go there and put any number range over here and tell the system whether it is the external number range or internal number range, and make sure this number range is not come between these types. So we can say one so many times of 0 and 999, it should be outside of this, correct? And you can create number range for the custom letters also. See, you can see the example A and Z Z Z Z Z. So like that, the notification, whenever the notification is get created, so A, double A, triple A, like that notification number will get generated. But this is a custom only. But generally, don't go to the letters, directly go with the numbers only, because this is important. Correct?
Sir, this one, can you please explain another time, sir?
See, I will take example as well. So if you want to provide A to Z, so first notification is created. So if first notification created with this number range, so notification, instead of notification number, A will be notification number, second notification B will be
Okay.
notification number, third C will be notification number. But after 26th letter, that error will become that number range is not found for 27th notification. So what you can do? So this is wrong. This is for 26. So for that you can take a double A or A1 or Z1 for this notification. So this is also possible, but generally people are using numbers only, because this is a 1 CR and up to 999. So many notification, whatever the notification you are creating, so that will become. So right now you can see that 259 notification are created. So up to 1 CR you have
Understood,
to
sir.
option.
Clear, clear, sir. Clear.
Clear. So like this is number range only. If you want some custom external number range, so you can use. But generally use the internal number range. So SAP automatically generate the number. There is no issue. Correct.
Okay, okay, sir.
So these three are the custom. If it is not external, so it is internal, and this is the external. You can provide. Simple. In every master data, you can see the number range. You can see the interval as well. This same thing. Same thing. Go there. You can see as per the notification type. So you can see for N1 there is no means it is assigned under the PM notification group. Correct. So for quality there are different number, for service notification there are different number, for claim notification there are different number, for this different model. Our PM notification, this is a number range N1. So this number range from this 1, 2, 3, 4, like I think we can take a 1 CR to like that. So this is number range for our PM. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Can check over here also which is assigned or which is non-assigned. Suppose our notification type is under non-assigned category. Say for example this N1 is under this category. This list, non-assigned list, this N1. So system will give one more error like number range is not defined for particular notification type. Correct. So we should have to assign this number range against the PM notification, but we are copying standard. So means we are creating this custom notification type with the help of copying standard. So it will automatically copy the number range as well. That is why I am telling you always copy the standard. So many errors are automatically gone. Correct. So this is example why we want to copy the standard. Define transactional start value. This is not much more important. Transaction start value is nothing but this is a T code. So which T code used for particular notification. So if you have the custom T code for notification, so you can define this over here. But we are not generally used. We just follow the standard only. Whatever the standard available IW21 for PM custom not like that. Create custom notification. Correct. If you want to change, so you can change over here. Just take a reference and you can provide some names, notification type, initial function code like that. But don't do any changes in standard. Assign standard text for short message of notification type. So any standard text, if you want to assign object type, object name, for short message, particular message come after creating the notification. Correct time. If you there is a functionality, but generally use the text object PS or PM, project system or PM module. Otherwise, they are giving special for PM module, so use that. But there is no need to use. If there is a requirement, you can use, but generally we are not using it. Allowed change notification type. Okay, if you want to change notification type, so we can allow you. Correct. Allow changes of notification type. So whether it is extended or not, target notification, original notification, but don't do any changes. Use just custom only. Correct. Assign notification type to order type. This is the important setting, and interviewer also asks you this setting. Correct. While creating the notification, automatically order will generate it, and vice versa. While creating the order, automatically notification will generate it. But this vice versa, and while creating one transactional data, order transactional data will generate it. So how this will happen? So this will happen with the help of configuration, and this is the important configuration in the notification. Inside the notification, there are two important configurations. Create the custom notification type and allow this assign notification type to order type. And these two you should have to tell to interviewer as well. So now we should have to assign this. So now you can see that for M1 is a notification type maintenance request, and PM01 maintenance order is already assigned. Due to that,
Sir, can we assign that we have created one more?
yes. Patience. I will assign. So with the help of M1 notification, we can create the PM01 order. Why? Because we are assigned this in a custom configuration. So now we created N1, so we should assign any, whatever you want. We assign the same only, PM01. This is a maintenance request. You can assign anything. But relevant. So relevant you should have to say. If you have to breakdown notification to assign, so you should have to assign the breakdown order only. So this is the correct way. Just save it. So data will get saved. Okay. Same thing. So whenever you are creating the maintenance request, so this particular maintenance order we should have to create from same screen. This is a setting. This is the important setting. You should have to told three things to enter your. If they ask you the notification configuration, we can define the notification type. We can define the number ranges. We can assign the notification type to order type, and fourth is a field selection of notification type. If you are telling them these four things is more than enough. Okay, if additional things if you want, I will tell you. But just keep remember these four things. This is important. Now, notification content. Notification creation. Define reason code. So you can do this also. Check. So what are the reason code you should have to define? This is a group. Reason code group and reason code disk. Repeated request or more information request. No need to do anything over here. Maintain catalogs. Okay. So whatever the catalogs we are created. Okay. CT04. So I should tell you to create a catalog for task. Usage decision. No. For task. For cause. For effect. For PM activities. And for damage I will tell like. Where is damage? Damage should be there. Overview of damage. So this is the catalog types. This is the standard catalog type available. If you want to create some custom catalog type, correct? Someone want, no, we don't want these types of catalog types. We should have to create the custom. So how you can do? So say we are taking one example like for defect types or for PM activities, some client want the custom. So copy that and create a custom, like give them any name like S or activities from PM custom PM, like that we can do, and keep all the setting as it is. Just save it so you can see this, correct? But no need to change the activity type because some standard activity types catalog types are already available. So just use this 4 to 5 catalog types. No need to change, and no one asks you to change as well, but you can change. Display catalog directory for all items. If you want to display, so this is just a display option catalog directory. So you just provide the star and other selection as well, which catalog directory we should have to provide. But don't do anything over here. Keep as it is. Define catalog profile. See, same defining catalog profile, creating catalog profile, we are already done using the CT04. Yes or no? You should have to watch that notification lecture. Same, we just create a profile. I will tell you how to create. Just copy for electrical, copy the new entries. So we can create like 2 catalog profile for electrical, and config I will provide. Just press enter, copy all the save entries. So already it's done. Copy it or else save it first. Okay, select it, go to catalog groups, go to new entries, 2 5. So what are the groups? You should have to provide them. Which group you are using? So we are using task. What you are using? One more. We are using what? Cause. So what one more? We are using like activity. We are using activities for PM. What we are using? We just created some custom. So this custom we are using. whatever is again damage we are using. So overview of damage. So this is enough. Just press enter, save it. Data was saved. So go back. Like that you can create. Okay, but no need to create if the already some standard are available. So just follow the standard because so many standard catalog profile already available in the system. If it is not available, so then you should have to create. Correct for electrical, mechanical. So while if you are in implementation project, so create one for electrical, one for mechanical, like that. Whatever the data provided by the client. It's a simple thing. Next, change catalog profile for notification type. So we should have to assign these to particular notification type as well, or if you want to change for particular notification type, so you can do it. So go there. What are the notification type? I will just check first for whatever available for standard. So go there. So inside the standard, PM 0001 is provided, and coding problems means D for coding, C for problem, 5 for cause already given. So like that we are providing. So go to our custom N1. So already this is available. So what is for coding? So select coding, select where is the coding? D for coding. What is the problems? So check for problems. Either a problem. ठीक है ना ये तो no need to select cause है select for cause 5 for cause task task ले गया है 2 for
Yes.
task activities so activities for PM we are taking object parts follow standard because you are not getting error. This is the core thing. There is object part. This is object part. So problems we are not able to find. Where it is? Reason, event, decision, defect, whole day, activate, object part coding. Okay, if there is nothing, no need to provide. Just save it. Save the standard. Go back. Go back. Now additional function for notification type. Some additional functions are available. We can check which are available. Define detection method and maintain the additional function. So go there. What is the detection method? So detection method means how we are creating the some particular types of notification like periodic maintenance, functional testing. If someone doing only inspection, periodic condition monitoring, it is also advanced feature available. This feature you can see in a Fury app as well, conditional monitoring, because with the help of vibration sensor and temperature sensor from IoTs, data goes to SAP like measuring points and counters, and with the help of that conditional monitoring, maintenance notification will get created or order will get created. So this data we should have to provide. If some company, some client have other than this detection method, so you should have to give the number like and provide the detection method. Just copy it and give like 00010. Advanced method like that. Okay, save it, save it, save it. If you want to deactivate any method, you just click over here. Define the detection method group. So which group? Scheduling activities, continuous monitoring, casual occurrence. Any groups are created, you should have to provide. Additional groups. If there is one profile, so reactive maintenance profile, so you can create a profile M1 as well. You just have to give this profile to assign detection method to for particular profile. So you can provide. But this is advanced feature, generally we are not using. But you should have to aware about it. If they want, you can assign. Maintain additional functions. So Y1 for reactive. So method of so detection method profile like reactive maintenance. If someone have another different, some company use adopt some different profile for detection, so you can create for additional method function, and same you are use this while defining the detection method. Correct? Any doubt in it? Additional function, or in standard notification we are not using this. Name suggested that additional function for notification type. Partners. Now define partner determination profile and partner function. Correct? Same partner determination profile we are created in equipment as well. So go there. Define partner determination procedure. Assign partner determination procedure notification type and assign partner notification type. So we should have to first define it. So just click on the plant maintenance and go back. And then we should have to assign it. So just click over here and check for first standard, what is available in standard. So in the standard, what are the things? Implement, department responsible, person responsible, task responsible, PM. So these only. So we are going our custom. Click there. Implemented department is a department responsible. We can say that. Department. Search. Yeah. Department responsible. Functional packaging you can vendor. कुछ भी दे दो जो जो उनका those they want. So manufacturer.
This thing will be there, right? Like default.
Where?
Department responsible manufacturing.
Where? In standard.
Implementing department, we selected department responsible now, sir.
Yes.
It will be like default, right?
Yes, but we can create default for this particular notification type by doing this setting. Correct? Yes or no?
Sir, I don't understand, sir.
See, in the notification, all these things are available, but where in M1 notification? I'm just saying, just give me a second. This is not available, so just wait. Just give me a second, I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Just close it. Yes. See, inside the M1, these things are available. That is why we are able to see in the notification screen in the partner tab. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But we are creating the custom notification type N1. We should have to default this, so we should have to select this in our custom notification type, because when we copy the standard, it is they are copying only standard, they are not copying all the settings. Say for example, for particular notification type there are 10 settings. So when we are creating the custom notification by copying the standard, so they will copy the 6 to 7 settings, but remaining 3 settings we should have to do. Correct?
Okay.
So this is the thing. So if required, so you can select, if they are using the partner, so you can select like that. So they can select the first. So you just have to follow same thing what I told you. Follow the standard only. Whatever available in standard, just try to reflect in custom notification. Correct?
Okay, sir. My doubt is it will be available in standard, all things.
Yeah, it will be available in standard, but while copying standard, they will not copy all the settings. Some setting we should have to reflect. So next is a field selection list display for partner data. If there is a field selection list display, so in the partner data, customer data, vendor data, there are so many data available. If you want some custom field selection, means कौन सा field रहना चाहिए, कौन सा नहीं रहना चाहिए, so you can select like that. Field only. In the custom data, someone provide the city code, someone provide the telephone number. So ये कैसे चाहिए? As per you can provide. So for same each and every data what you want to maintain. So you just have to select, tick and untick and maintain this data. Now notification processing. Before that, any left? Just give me a second. Notification content is over. In that set screen templates we are facing issue, right? That if you are providing the items and go there, continue, new entries, activity category, change, tabs. Why it not taking? I don't know. Okay, fine. I also don't know this setting what is, but we are not using it required, so you should have to read this how this is working. Correct? But generally we are not using it. This is not important. Notification, define notification type, number ranges, field selection, assign notification type to order type. Also you can say the partner determination as well. These things are important. Now go to notification content. Cost code you can uh, tell for maintain catalogs, define catalogs. This from this one or two things you can tell to interviewer. Sufficient response time one. So, yes, define priorities. Now go. Now you can see the same error we are getting, right? Define priorities. So we should have to define then priorities. Okay, so PM, go to PM priorities, select it. If you want to create a custom priorities, so you can create, but generally use the PM priorities. For QM there is different priorities. Some other module there are different priorities. So use just PM priorities. Go back. Define priorities for each priority type. So now we should have to define. So now these are PM priorities. So inside the PM priorities, 1 for very high, 2 for high, 5 for medium. Like that we should have to provide. And which is a negative, which is a critical, we should have to provide. Okay. And with the help of that, duration of days means suppose if the inside the PM priorities, we can say priority type is a PM and priority text is a very high. So automatically notification take a date. So say for example, you create a notification for today, correct? 19/7 and select the notification priority is high. So and you can select the duration like 10 days. So after 10 days notification automatically get due. So you if the priority is high, you should have to correct that problem within the 10 days and close that notification. If you select the high, 20 days. If you select the medium, it's a 30 days. It's a custom. You can create in hour also. If the notification is very high priority, so within 2 hours you can have to close. So this impact, this interlog you can provide. Understand? Any doubt in it? Yes or no?
No, sir. No, sir.
Otherwise I'm copying and you should have to create the priorities. So see, you are providing like this is a critical. So duration, the unit I will change like create as well. If it is critical, then go to hours, which search. Go back. Search. So this is in hours. Select hours and provide the 2 hours. So within 2 hours, this notification should be like target key must be different from source key. Oh, it should be different. So PM E1 will take. Not found PM. If it is already available, same, that is why it is not take. So we should have to delete this and make this. But function is that we should have to define the criticality and the time. Correct. So that notification get due in the particular time. But always follow the standard, whatever available in standard, you should have to use this. Correct. This is the functionality. So you should maintain the priority from here. Now assign the priority type to notification type. So we created some custom notification in that priority type is not assigned. That is why this error will become. So first we check for M1. So priority type assigned like PM priorities. And when we check for the custom, which we created, so there is no priority type. Correct? समझ में आया? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why this error will become while trying to be provide. Correct? So this error is over here. Now you assign and save it. This error automatically gone. We'll test it also. There is no issue. So you can find out this response and time monitoring and define priorities. So define response time. So you can define this as well. Or you should have to define this time. So uh, so this is a general folder. So just and what are the response time? So in that general for PM01 the 50 minutes is the response time. Correct? For every cause and code like priorities 1 2. For PM1 there are first means there are high priority very high. So for that for first code there is a 50 minute, for second 1 hour, like that you can provide if some company want response time, but generally no one use this response time related formulas because no one get follow, because no one understand these types of criticality की machine कितना time लेने वाला है. Correct? So इतना detail में जाएंगे तो फिर yes we can go in detail this optional available in SAP, but plant people are not following this detail. Correct? They want
Correct.
to work for particular 1 hour, so they will take 1 hour whether you are providing 50 minutes or 20 minutes. They are not a machines, but these types of functionality are also available in it. Response time. So we should have to first define, then create some profile, but generally use the standard only PM service over here, whatever the available in standard, and they show the standard them and tell them use this like that, and this we should have to assign this particular notification type first. So our custom, yes, see, so you can see that the response time is not used also standard. They are used for QM people. Correct? For PM people, there is no use. If they want, so you can use. So for that, you can create a custom notification type and assign. But generally, you are also seeing for PM, we are not using it. For M1, there is no use. M3, there is no use. But this functionality available. No one asked you this question as well. And someone asked, just told we are not using this in our plant. Simple answer. Additional functions. Define action box, define follow-up. This is also additional. Display follow-up functions. So this is regarding the approval. If someone wants the approval for particular, we can say that particular steps. So whatever the approval, whatever the activity, whatever the follow-ups, like that, they should have to maintain. But this is also additional functionality no one use. Display business operations. Sorry. So it is not used in our module as well. Rejection, display budgeting, assign contract. They are using some other modules because you cannot see anything related to PM over here. Follow-up action same. Print control. So you can some companies give the after creating notification, they can provide print from the, so whatever the data should be available in print, whatever the things, because most of things print control are maintained by the technical module because they are making some custom printing and provide the data. So we are as a functional consultant, we don't we are not doing anything, but just see if the setting is available. Define shop paper forms output. So what are the shops available? So first define the shops. What are the shops available over here? But just take a common shop. If they have a custom shop, so they can give us a name. So you can select the name from there created by form by like that. But just follow the standard whatever the PM custom available. Means it's nothing but a selection of printer. Which notification type is printed by which printer like that, and provide like we are providing M1 for maintenance request. So selection. So printing is available. Correct. What we are creating. Again, define printer. So which printer is to use? So if the user specific printer available, so you can provide the user specific data over here. Thus they are giving the star because in system there is no data available. So the define printer diversion. What are the diversions available? These are the object fields. This all the settings is maintained, or you can take help from technical team. So they will tell you this they are made. We just have to fill the values. But generally some company use some custom printing phenomenon. They are not using the SAP functionality because this is some critical. Custom is very easy. They just provide the printer name and this particular whatever their shops means whatever their divisions. Suppose say for example in a industry in some industry there are three A, B, C. So three divisions have different printer in particular department. So this print will be possible for particular. So they are making some new changes in that custom changes. As a consultant you should have no need to do anything over here. User status for notification type, same thing I just told while creating the equipment, but that will not reflect, so we'll try to reflect that user status. So now user status profile, so go there, define user status profile for notification, so go there. So these are the status profile are available for equipment, for notification as well. So just check for what is available for notification. Order. Okay, we'll check this for order because for order so many available that we can reflect it very good from order instead of notification. Available from notification. Okay. कुछ अलग ही लैंग्वेज में दिया है. We can check status profile for order. Same operations for everywhere. Assign user status profile to particular notification type. So what is available for can see. चलो एक देखते हैं यार करके देखते हैं. चलो होता है नोटिफिकेशन करते हैं. So go to the quality notification profile QM 001. PM के लिए अवेलेबल नहीं है शायद. Let's see this topic in same topic while maintenance order. Create authorization key for user status authorization. Some authorization key required, so you just have to create. But right now there is no authorization key for plant maintenance, so don't use anything. Maintain selection profile. So whatever selection you want for particular scheme, so select that and go to selection condition and select any draft activity you want. So many profiles are available over here. Correct. Operational dispatch, picking operation. Can't do anything, use the standard. Object information. Just use PM only. Standard. Assign to notification type. So if it's standard, there is assign, we will assign. So in standard is already assigned, like PM 0001. So just copy this and assign same to our custom as well. N1. Assign this and save it. Go back. Condition indicator. Define system condition. So what are the conditions available? One for operation, in limit operation, out order, but we are not using. We just use first screen of notification. That is why we are not using this.
System condition means machinery condition, right? Is in
No,
operation
it's
for
not like
operate.
that. Operation, in limit operation, out of order. It's not like that machinery condition. See, machinery condition is defined by the status, system status and user status. Correct? This is another phenomenon.
Okay.
Define operational effect. See, we are using these all things below the, we can say, additional functions. User status notification inside. Conditional indicator. If you want some indicate conditional, so you can provide. No one use this
Okay, but this
functionality.
is not mandatory, right, sir?
It is not mandatory. Those are mandatory. Those are definitely I will show and I will tell you interview ask. This is just, see, everything is available in SAP, but we are not any, so business practically also not able to use everything. If they are using everything, how their people will work? Correct.
Correct.
List editing. So many things are available, but main things, whatever required and whatever the standard to make particular notification, run particular notification operation, that will have to define list variant. So this is regarding the selection screen only. So use only the standard selection screen. If you want to create variant, I already told, fill the data in a particular, see, if you want to create variant for particular notification, so fill, we want to see some range data, means for 1 month data. Correct. So every time don't put the, what can I say, date range. If you want to see only M1 type notification created by particular, so if you want to see every time created by you notification, so just put your name only and save this data. Automatically variant will get created. So here is one dialog box will open. Click on it, your name variant, click on it and just execute. So no need to fill data. This is a simple thing. Got it? Or otherwise I will tell you how to create a variant. You guys know how to create a variant?
No, sir, don't know.
Okay. Just give, just remind me, I will tell you. Okay. One variant.
Okay, sir.
So no use this. Just create a variant from ACP screen only. Setting का जरूरत नहीं, उधर से भी कर सकते हैं. Just remind me. Define field selection, no need. Workflow maintenance notification. So no need to use. Maintenance notification processing. This workflow related use for advanced functions. We are not using. Set workflow service notification. This is also for advanced function. Correct. No need to use. This is some advanced function. Technical people will get handle that. They are not asking anything. So that notification, so I'm just telling you how to create. We just paste it first. For the IW21, create notification type like N1. Enter. So screen setting for notification type N1 not maintain copy standard. So yes, you should have to copy standard. So you can see these screens are available. Notification. But you can see it is not like that while selecting the M1. Okay, IW21. So some error in that. Like select the M1 and check the screen. Screen is different. Like this part is not copying. Correct? Yes
Correct,
or
sir.
no? So in order to do this, you should have to like field selection screen. So क्या करना है? What you want? Just see that field. Go to the setting and tick on this field selection that this is required, this is not required. So like that you should have to play.
Yes, sir.
This is related
Whatever
to
the
field
field
selection.
we need,
Yes,
we have to select.
this is related to field selection. So while creating the, yes, this is another example. Although you are copying the standard, still you should have to done some setting. Correct. So this field selection setting you should have
Okay,
to
sir.
do custom. If you want only 4 fields, so remove that all the fields in your custom notification. So these types of setting you have. Correct. But the error that regarding the priorities that will be gone. Error regarding to like we can say the number ranges that will be gone, because in notification we are mostly using the first screen only, and if it is breakdown notification, so we are using this screen, otherwise we nothing will use. So nothing in it for regarding the custom we can say configuration. Important is the notification type, important is assigning notification type from order type. These things will be important. 4 to 5 points you can tell to interviewer, it's more than enough. Okay, what we created. So these things. Okay, just go back. Now assigning the variant, create a variant, right? So tell me the T code to see the list of notification. IW29. So this is a display notification. Now I want particular notification type like M1 notification type. Okay. So what is a M1? Select M1. Okay. I want some particular date. So we can say the date like May to today's date. 1st May to today's date. Okay. Also I want created by, if you want to take one take. So this date range, this custom. So every time I don't want to create this. I don't मीन्स जरूरत नहीं पड़ना चाहिए एवरी टाइम में डालने का, और कुछ डेटा भरना हो यू कैन हैव टू पुल मेंटेनेंस प्लान 1010 ले लेगा फॉर पर्टिकुलर एनी पर्टिकुलर नोटिफिकेशन पर इसके लिए डेटा फॉर दैट डेटा शुड बी अवेलेबल इन सिस्टम, then only that will be reflect. So this field we have filled. So right now while creating the variant for that every time, so we want postpone notification or completed notification as well. So every time don't want to fill this data, just save variant. So just save it and variant contribution. So provide name, I will provide my name. So notif, okay, notification, or you can say M1 type. Okay, so दे दो मेरा नाम, तो इसमें M1 करके दिखा. No need to fill anything, just save it. So next time whenever using this T code IW29 open, so no need to fill any data, just go to the variant, select whatever variant created by me, automatically the same data get filled and just execute. If there is notification, that will become. Okay, so this is procedure to create a variant. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for that we should have to, no need to done configuration, no need to go to complexity. If someone from business tell you we want to fill the data, tell them create a variant for you. No need to done the configuration, because every time no need to go to configuration. If some other paths are available, so just first think for it only. And if business again insist, so then only you can have to check the all the possibilities and then only create the new configuration, because correct. Other than this, if you have any doubt in this configuration, you can tell me. 4 to 5 points you should have to tell. Anyone remember 4 to 5 points? बोलो मेरे को कौन कौन सा पॉइंट रिमेंबर किया प्रवीण. If I ask you, tell me the what if I ask you, have you done the configuration for notification? If you saying yes, so can you tell me the some points related to notification configuration? So can you able to tell me any 2 3 points, Praveen?
Mm,
First you can take I will create the custom notification type. This is first point.
yes, sir.
Second,
And then assign.
i will I will assign this particular custom notification type to number ranges. Second, you can say that I will done the field selection. Third, you can say that we'll assign the particular notification type to order type. Correct. You can say that the cost code. You can say that related 1 or 2 points related to priorities also. We can define the priorities field. You can say partners. This is more than enough, 5 to 6 points. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is all about notification. So next lecture is very important regarding order, because most of interview, if some interview not ask you regarding notification, but they must ask you regarding the order, and order configuration is very important. We'll take time for that. We'll learn it properly. So whatever important in order configuration, so I will tell you. Okay. So that point you should have to tell.